Hi guys, just bought this in the charity shop, £1.99. Guinness World Records, build your own wind powered car. Rubber band powered. I did one of these, or at least I did my own version, 3D printed one the other day, which worked okay. But I spotted this in the charity shop, so I thought I'd buy it and we'd put it together and give it a test. I'm pretty sure I've done another one not so long ago. Oh, I say not so long ago, probably years ago now. Time does rather pass quickly nowadays. I just thought this would be ideal for my rubber band powered channel, which you are now watching. Put a rubber band on it. Okay, looks fairly straightforward. Shouldn't need any tools or glue or anything. So we need a couple of them, a couple of these. So I say £1.99 this cost me. I've no idea how much they would be from somewhere other than a charity shop. Place an axle through the holes in the car body. There's one axle. Oh yeah, there's another one. Okay. Choose two wheels and put them on the end of the axles. You've got a little keyway, so you can only put them on one way. Okay, and they've got a little bit of play. Repeat steps at the other end. Okay. Right, done that. That piece on there. Propeller on there. That way up. It's only a little propeller. That one on there. Oh, we got two propellers. Oh, we'll try it with the little one first, and then we'll try it with the big one. Yeah. Little one could go on there, couldn't it? Could have used either of them. But the big one definitely would have to go on there. Ah, I see. It's suggesting you can do either push or pull, depending on which way round you wind it up. You wind it that way round, It's going to unwind that way, and that's going to pull it forwards. Okay. You've got some little wheels as well. So you could do it with small wheels at the front. They're giving you quite a selection of bits and pieces. Yeah. You have 4 small wheels. And you've got 5 rubber bands. Well, I've got to say, they've given you a good selection of bits and pieces. So if we wind it up that way, yeah, it's going to pull it. And I would say we probably want the bigger propeller. Okay, let's give it a little run, see how it goes. "50 turns. Okay, I'll swap the propeller and see if it goes any further. Right. Same 50 turns. Oh, turn it the right way round. Oh, wow. Well, that made a difference, didn't it? Okay, we'll see if we can hit the camera with that one. No question about that. Works absolutely fine. Obviously, well, clearly it worked better with the larger propeller. Still used the same rubber band. And we were doing about 6 meters there, I would say. 6 and a bit with no trouble whatsoever. What a lovely little kit. And the idea is you've got all these other bits so you can try other formats, put it together in different ways, see if it makes any difference. And clearly you could make it much narrower. You just that instead of this wide bit going across there. And you've got the choice of two different posts, two different propellers, and you've got the smaller wheels as well. So you can try it with little wheels, see if it makes any difference. What a lovely little kit. That's so much better than I expected. I did notice somewhere on there's something about 2015. Oh yeah, 1955 to 2015. So I guess this kit must be 9 years old, being as it's 2024 now. If it's 9 years old, those rubber bands have done remarkably well. They usually go dry and horrible when they've been left for that sort of length of time. It may not be that old, but I'm just going from that. Yeah, what a lovely little kit.